Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show guys a Rubik's Cube that is a keychain. So guys, this is the 4x3 keychain Rubik's brand cube, and I got this in Mexico. And guys, you can't even take off this metal thing, because look at this. Look closely. Look at this. They made these 3 holes, and then they put this 3 holes and then put this metal thing, so you can't take this off. But you can go like this. You can stick this into your pants, your backpack, your shirt, and more. Except my comprehension book. And guys, are you gonna ever buy this? Just let me know in the comments. And guys, I will see you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.